Welcome to Best Pics Lab. The Best Photography Books is probably one of the most essential tools a budding photographer can have in their arsenal, offering a curated collection of knowledge, inspiration, and practical guidance to help you navigate the exciting world of capturing stunning images and developing your unique visual style. These carefully selected resources delve into the fundamental principles of composition, lighting, exposure, and post-processing, providing clear explanations and illustrative examples that demystify complex concepts and empower you to take control of your camera and unlock your creative potential. Number 5. Digital Photography Complete Course. Unlock your creative potential with our comprehensive Digital Photography Complete Course. Learn everything you need to know to capture stunning images. In just 20 weeks, you'll gain the skills and knowledge to excel in digital photography. This course is designed for rapid learning and practical application. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, this course covers all essential aspects. You'll progress from beginner concepts to advanced techniques. We cover everything from camera basics and composition to lighting and editing. You'll receive a complete education in digital photography. Take your passion for photography to the next level. Enroll today and start your journey to becoming a skilled digital photographer. What we like. This book offers a structured, 20-week learning path to master photography. It covers everything you need to know in a progressive manner. If you prefer a detailed, long-term curriculum to build your skills systematically, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The pages have been organized in such a way it's easy to follow or take your time as you get used to all the functions of your camera. It is easy to read and understand. The picture examples are wonderful to follow along. It teaches all of the fundamentals on how photography works. The book teaches you how to use different equipment and even how to work with almost no equipment. Each concept is put on a 2-page spread that's very visual and easy to absorb. Number 4. Beginner's Photography Guide, Step-by-Step Manual. Are you new to digital photography? This guide is designed to help you master your camera. Learn the essential steps to capture stunning photos. This manual provides a clear, step-by-step approach to understanding your digital camera. We break down complex features into easy-to-follow instructions. Go from a complete novice to a confident photographer. Our guide covers everything you need to know to get the most out of your device. Each section is designed for easy learning, guiding you through every setting and function. You'll be taking better pictures in no time. This is the ultimate resource for anyone looking to improve their photography skills. Discover the full capabilities of your digital camera with this comprehensive guide. What we like. This guide provides a clear, step-by-step manual designed to help you get the most from your digital camera. It's incredibly easy to follow, even for absolute beginners. If you're looking for a practical, hands-on approach to quickly improve your photography and understand your camera's functions, this is the one. What people say. The book is a comprehensive guide covering essential photography concepts, from aperture and shutter speed to composition and lighting. It offers practical exercises and examples that help readers understand and apply the techniques discussed. The explanations are clear and concise, making complex topics accessible to beginners. Number 3. National Geographic Photo Basics, Beginner's Guide. Ready to capture stunning images? This guide is your first step towards mastering photography. Learn the essential techniques to make your photos stand out. Understand the core principles of great photography. We break down complex concepts into easy-to-grasp lessons, perfect for anyone starting out. Transform your snapshots into professional quality photographs. This comprehensive resource provides the knowledge you need to elevate your skills. Learn from the best with insights from National Geographic's renowned photographers. Gain practical advice and inspiration to improve your craft. Don't just take pictures, create art. This ultimate beginner's guide empowers you to tell stories through your lens. Start your photographic journey today. What we like. Learn the basics of great photography from the renowned National Geographic. It features stunning imagery and expert insights to build your foundational skills. If you're inspired by world-class photography and want to learn the core principles from a trusted source, this book will guide you well. What people say. It starts with the basics and ends with photo editing. The spiral binding makes it very easy to use. Great tips and ideas for shots. Positioning of subjects. Lighting and camera suggestions. Number 2. National Geographic Kids Photography Guide. Ever wanted to capture amazing photos like the pros? This guide is your first step to becoming a fantastic photographer. Learn the secrets from experts and your friends at My Shot. Discover tips and tricks directly from experienced photographers. We've gathered insights to help you improve your skills. Get ready to take your photography to the next level. This guide is designed for young, aspiring photographers. It's packed with easy-to-follow advice. Start your exciting journey into the world of photography today. Learn how to use your camera effectively to get the best shots. We cover essential techniques that will make your photos stand out. It's time to master your equipment. Connect with fellow young photographers and share your work. This guide is brought to you by the My Shot community. Let's create amazing images together. Brought to you by National Geographic Kids, you know you're getting quality content. Explore the world through your lens with trusted guidance. Capture the beauty around you. What we like. This guide is specifically designed for young, aspiring photographers, offering a fun and engaging approach. It's packed with tips and tricks from professionals and peers. If you're a child or teenager looking for an exciting and accessible way to learn photography, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. This book is a comprehensive guide to photography, covering everything from camera settings to composition and lighting. The author explains complex concepts in a clear and concise manner, making it easy for beginners to understand. It includes practical exercises and tips that help readers improve their photography skills quickly. Number 1. School of Photography, Beginner's Guide. Unlock the full potential of your camera. Learn to control every setting and take the photos you've always envisioned. Are you confused by all the buttons and settings? We break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand lessons. Go from beginner to confident photographer. Discover the techniques that will make your images stand out. This guide is designed specifically for those new to photography. We start with the basics and build your skills progressively. Take the first step towards capturing beautiful moments. Master your camera and start creating the images you love. What we like. This book aims to master your camera and clear up confusion with its clear explanations. It focuses on helping you create stunning imagery. If you've been intimidated by camera settings and want a straightforward guide to understanding your equipment and producing beautiful photos, this is the ideal resource. What people say. This book is a great starting point for anyone looking to understand the basics of photography. It covers essential concepts like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO in a clear and concise manner. The explanations are easy to follow, making it accessible even for those with no prior knowledge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.